More eggs?
Let's go see if we can find some more eggs. Come on.
Find more eggs.
Yeah, where do you think they are?
Oh, eggs. Egg.
Good job. Put it in your basket.
More.
Good job. Can you find any more eggs?
Down there.
There's another one.
Wow.
Wow.
The basket.
Good job in the basket. Good job. You think there's any more eggs? Let's look. Did you check on the piano? Maybe you left one on the piano.
No. Gone.
Mm.
I don't know. I think Lucas better look more carefully.
Oh, egg.
Good
one.
job.
Egg.
What color is that one?
Red.
A red egg. Wow.
Is candy in there?
There might be candy in there, or maybe stickers,
Sack in there.
or snack. Yeah. Okay, we'll put it in your Easter basket. Good
Find no
job.
more eggs.
You gonna go find more eggs? Okay.
Find no more eggs. Oh, down here. Egg.
Good job.